Welcome to the Rochester Customer Training Series. In this video, we'll walk you through the order management tools, including how to view your transaction history, handle order inquiries, and start reorders. Your full transaction history is available at any time. After logging into your account, select Orders from the drop-down menu to view past orders. Click on an order to see its details. In addition to viewing the parts purchased, you can also download invoices and packing slips. If you need assistance with an order, just submit an inquiry using the Contact Us form. First, select Order Inquiry from the drop-down menu. Then a second drop-down will appear where you can select a category, such as Shipment Tracking, Returns, also known as RMA, Change Order, or Cancel Order. Pick the category that matches your request, and your inquiry will be directed to the right team. Reordering is easy. From any previous order, just click Start Reorder, and the complete list of parts and quantities will be automatically added to your cart. You can then modify or add items as needed before checking out. With comprehensive order history, easy-to-use inquiry tools, and one-click reordering, the Rochester Customer Portal makes managing your orders straightforward and efficient. Log in anytime to track your activity and get the support you need.